Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base faucet website. You can claim your free token from that website. And first of all, go to your Faucetpay deposit, copy your token wallet address and come in this website. Put your token wallet address in here. This website link available in description. Click login. After clicking login, just solve this captcha. Is called hospital and store, and then solve this captcha, and after that just click verify captcha. This website send you instantly to your satoshi to your Faucetpay. Every 2 minutes you come back and claim again. Show your timer you didn't watch this timer, or you want to claim, just go to other faucet I show you, and you can see this website send me my satoshi instantly to my Faucetpay, and after 2 minutes I come back and claim again, and you can make much more amount. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.